Hi, this is Kelly from Petica Kelly and Play Learn Talk. And if you are brand new to creating boom cards, you're probably wondering, how do you get to your creation page? So this is the page that you're going to actually create all your decks in. And I wanted to do a really quick tutorial to show you how you get to this once you've been signed on to your Boom Learning account. Okay, so I'm simply going to go ahead and type in Wow Boom Learning. And once I do that, it's going to automatically sign me in because my account has been set to that. Okay, I'm going to come up here to Studio and then scroll down to where it says Customer Dashboard. Underneath it says Asset Managers, and we're going to come to Make Decks. So right up at the top, next to the big button that says Decks, you're going to create New Deck. And that's how you get to this page. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Please check back for future videos. I am planning on making lots and lots of videos this month, one every single day. So be sure to leave a comment below on something that would be useful for you that you would like me to demonstrate in my next tutorial. All right, bye.